In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Doc or a screenshot into a Google Drive folder. Whether you're organizing work files, class notes, or personal documents, this quick guide will help you keep everything neat and accessible. First, open your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you're inside Google Drive, navigate to the folder where you want to upload your file. Simply double-click on the folder to open it. Now, in the top left corner, you'll see a blue plus New button. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select File Upload. A window will pop up allowing you to browse the files on your computer. If you want to upload a screenshot, just locate it in your Downloads or Desktop folder, select it, and click Open. If you want to add a Google Doc that's already saved on your computer, follow the same steps, find it, click on it, and hit Open. The upload will start right away. You'll see a small progress box in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once the upload is finished, your file will automatically appear inside the folder you opened earlier. And that's it. You've successfully added either a screenshot or a Google Doc into your Google Drive folder. Keeping your files organized this way makes them easy to share, edit, and access from any device with your Google account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to try it out and start managing your Drive more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.